Okay, here is everything you need to go horse riding. First, you need some boots. So they've got flat, so your feet can slip out of the stirrups easy. Yeah, you need to get the right size. They're good for horse riding, or they are built for horse riding. And yeah, now we need the helmet. Now this is a very good helmet. It's a Onyx helmet, and you can get ones that are padded there so it doesn't rub on your chin. And it's padded there at the back, and you can take this off, and yeah, it's nice and secure. Now the shirt. You can just wear any shirt for horse riding, but because I go horse riding at a special place, I have a special shirt. And sorry, I'm just having a bit of difficulty. And yeah, it's nice and warm, so if you're riding on a cold windy day, and you make sure it fits. And yeah, and now for the joddies, or jodhpurs. It's got nicknames. Now, they're good for horse riding, and I've got them there. They're pads for grip, so you don't keep rubbing up and down in the saddle. And they're just pull-on ones. And yeah, you can get chaps which stop you from slipping. You can get sticky bum jodhpurs which stop you from slipping around. And I've got lots of information. That's dressage. See how she's got the hat on, and the special jacket, and the joddies, and a beautiful horse like me. And I do go horse riding. I've got pictures. I've got pictures of the horse I ride here. She's a Clydesdale. Her name's Molly, and she is very, very pretty. She's a gorgeous horse, and yeah. And I've got a information book here. It's about horses, the world of the horses, and it shows there's 3 young Lipizzaner horses, stallions they are. Now Lipizzanas are built for jumping right up in the air. That's when 2 males fight over a female, and they get to breed with her. Just a little baby horse, a little foal. Now these are Shillek horses. They're fun to have and play with. That's all for now.